Okay, hopefully you've done all these and you're just checking your work. Guided practice 5, 4a cubed over 22a to the 6th will give you an answer of 2 divided by 11a cubed. And the excluded value is going to be a equals 0. Okay, let's look at guided practice 6, which was 2c over c plus 5. Well, it does not look like any reductions can be done. So your answer is going to just be 2c over c plus 5. And the excluded value, the value of c that will make the denominator 0, is going to be c equals -5. Okay, let's look at guided practice 7. 2s squared plus 8s divided by 3s plus 12. Let's factor out what we can on numerator and denominator. So 2s times s plus 4. And that I always double check in my head and say 2s squared plus 8s to make sure I did it right. Denominator, I can factor out a 3. And I end up with s plus 4 on the bottom, right? That would give me 3s plus 12 if I multiplied it. When I do that, I see that I can cross out s plus 4, numerator and denominator. So I end up with 2s divided by 3. Going back to my original equation, I can see that if I put in a -4 here for s, my excluded value is x equals -4. That's excluded value. Okay, last, guided practice number 8. I have 8x divided by 8x cubed plus 16x squared. I'm going to leave my numerator as is, and my denominator I'm going to factor out as much as I can, which turns out to be 8x squared. I'm left with x plus 2, and I can see that I can cancel here and I can cancel here, leaving an x in the denominator, so that I end up with 1 here over x times x plus 2. I should have made them in red and been consistent. I'm seeing how inconsistent I'm being. So let me write at least this answer properly. And that answer is going to be 1 over x squared plus 2x. And your excluded value is going to be, let's look here because it's probably easier to see once it's been factored. There's more than 1 actually, because I can see that if x is 0, it's gonna make a denominator of 0, and if x is -2, that's also gonna happen. So my excluded values are going to be x equals 0 and x equals -2. All right, good timing to stop as my dog is barking, and I'm gonna pick up with examples 3 and 4 when I come back.